To Vancouver to get fixed and then shipped across country. So it's a little bit of an unveiling for some people that don't know me, and then and let's just show her. Have to start her, have to let her run, and I hope she gets down there. She does have some problems, and I need to get that fixed. But all these things need to happen today. Today is one of the last sunny days in Vancouver. She does not drive in the rain, so a lot needs to be done. Spider, they do exist. But let's see if she starts. Just showing the inside. So she runs, doesn't sound too good. I do have to see what's going on with her, but still hear the clinging. She's not doing too well. 70 kilometers and 100 kilometers we have to drive today. I hope she makes it. Okay, we'll see. There she is, running and leaking like a sieve already. So, trying to get that fixed. A little bit viewing, see if she gets down there today. Gonna get those eyelets removed. I don't like them. They got put on and I don't like them. But here we go. Wish me luck. We'll make it down there in one piece. Okay, here she goes. Hasn't driven down here for a few months, but if she does, we'll have to take it easy, slow. It's only gonna take me an hour and a half to get to the ferry, so see, hear that noise? That's what I'm gonna get fixed. So driving holding this, and yeah, I'm a little bit afraid that she's not going to make it. The clutch is also something that needs to be addressed. So fingers crossed. And it needs oil. I know it needs oil, so we have to get some gas, and we need to get some oil as well. Okay, fingers crossed. So first gear, she makes it, and then she does this. So it's a steeper hill, and there are a few steep hills ahead. And that's going to be interesting to see how well she gets up those hills. Okay, you can tell it's fall. Now this car doesn't have heat. That's going to be interesting, but here it's beautiful. It's Hotel Lake, and as you can see, the fog is rising up. It's -1 today, and just stunning pictures. Fog coming in. Gorgeous. This is Garden Bay Lake. Again, we've seen it before in some other videos, but it's early in the morning, 9 o'clock-ish time frame, but just stunning. It's very quiet up here. So beautiful. So in order for me to get gas, I need to open the hood. So I need to open the hood in order to get gas. Oh, now I locked it. Sorry. As you can see, here's the gas tank. Get gas. A little different. And it's empty. Yeah, it's a little different. That's where I keep how this works, so doesn't get a lot of gas. I think I fill it up once a year. That's how little I drive it actually. So this time it's quite a bit empty. So need to fill up. Oil is okay, but look down here. Leaks like a sieve, so that has to get fixed. But let's see. I know they can do it. Everything else looks okay so far. Oil is okay, it runs okay. Now we need to make it another, I think we made 15 kilometers, 10 kilometers, so another 60. Let's hope for the best. And somebody's going to drive behind me to make sure I make it. Yeah, we made it to Seashell, and the car is doing great. Definitely has some little sounds I don't like, but overall she is performing really good. So Hilda is doing good. Okay, we made it to the ferry. So car sits there, doing well. Have some paper towels for the oil leak. Don't want to be leaking on the ferries, so trying to be a good citizen. But oh, it's cold. Ferry's just coming in. It's full. We should make it on. It was 97%. So hoping for the best. We're about to board. The ferry's unloaded, so let's hope she starts. I haven't tried it, but should be okay. And hope we make it on. Like I said, it was full, so. But we were at 90 something when I checked last, and we were already in there. So, fingers crossed. Well, they stopped 10 cars short, and we'll see if they take on more. I hate this whole ferry thing. Yippee! We made it on. We're on the ferry, but man, my oil leaks like there's no tomorrow. It's not dripping. It's actually running out of the engine, which is not something I want. I need to check the oil now quickly to ensure everything is still okay. We arrived in Horseshoe Bay. Car leaked like a sieve, but I made sure I had paper towel underneath so it's all clean. And I didn't drop onto the ferry deck. I don't like that very much. So here we go. And heading to drop off some stuff at my daughter's. And then later driving the car to the workshop where we're gonna park until tomorrow until they come and fix it. We made it to Vancouver. We are in West Van right now, and as you can imagine, lots of noise. But I have to watch. Can't really film while driving, so we'll do this with them. Gobble gobble. Aye, what the hell? We're on Taylor Way, just about to go across the Lions Gates. Exciting! She made it! I'm very happy about that. So only a few more kilometers and she's at the shop and she's gonna get a good tune-up and fix. So okay, we're here. We made it. So leave her here overnight. Drop the keys in there, so you can see there's a whole bunch of Volkswagen everywhere. And Alex, look where I am. Okay, say goodbye. Till we see you in Summerside, PEIs. Yeah. Have a good trip and get fixed.